Hi guys! 5 Surveys is a platform that specializes in providing offers from many places around the world. With 5 successful surveys, you will receive $5 in your account. Currently, 5 Surveys only supports countries such as the US, UK, Germany, Canada, or Australia. Therefore, if you want to create an account on 5 Surveys, you must fake your IP to these countries. You can use MailTM or Gmail to register an account. This is the website interface after you successfully verify your account. Each account will have a different number of surveys, depending on the country you registered the account in. When doing offers on 5 Surveys, the amount of money you receive depends on the number of surveys you participate in. The more surveys you complete, the more money you will earn. You can scale up the number of accounts by creating multiple Chrome profiles. However, the website can easily detect them based on the device information of those profiles. Although the IP address is changed, these profiles all have the same device information, such as the operating system, screen size, memory, etc. If detected by the website, you will not be able to access your account and withdraw the money. The IP address and device will also be blacklisted by the website, and you will not be able to create new accounts. Therefore, combining proxies with anti-detect browsers is a common method used by many people specializing in survey offers like this. Each anti-detect browser profile acts as a new device with completely different information. So, even though they run on the same device, 5 Surveys will still recognize them as different users. With each anti-detect browser profile, you can set up separate personal profiles. Gender, age, occupation, and income will be the most important information. You need to create user profiles that match the target audience the surveys are directed towards. You can refer to the following information. Age from 20 to 45. Note that the birth year must match the age you declare. Occupation should be selected as full-time work in fields like IT, finance, management, leadership, etc. Income, if it's a household, choose 20 to 30 million, while for individuals, it's around 10 to 15 million. The initial profile information you enter should be accurate for completing surveys. Additionally, your answers must be consistent with each other. You can record the answers to select them accurately. Next is the time spent on the survey. Even if you use auto, you should not complete the survey too quickly because the system will detect it as a bot. For example, a 15-minute survey completed in 5 minutes. The system will assess your survey as low quality and you will not receive rewards. Doing it too slowly, such as leaving it idle for 1 to 2 hours, should also be avoided. Which surveys to choose and how to do them should be tested multiple times, especially when scaling up the number of accounts. But the most important note is that your answers must be consistent and match the personal profile you've created. After completing 5 surveys on 5 Surveys, you will receive $5. You can choose to withdraw money via bank, PayPal, or exchange for gift cards in amounts of $5, $10, $20, $50, or $100. It's better to withdraw through multiple PayPal accounts because using the same wallet address for multiple accounts. Above, Hidemyacc has just guided you on how to create multiple accounts to do surveys to earn money on 5 Surveys. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you have any questions, please contact Hidemyacc support team via live chat for the fastest support. Wish you success.